Hello, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything that concerns the mailbox in educare. So educare mailbox has a lot of features. With the mailbox, you can send out mails, different kind of mails. You can help reset password from the mailbox. You can actually track your mails that you send out from the mailbox, and also you can save draft messages. So I'm just going to jump into how you can send mails on the mailbox. So when you come to the mailbox, you click on compose mail, and in compose mail we have different kinds of mail. We have the general mail, we have the result, and we have the custom. So I'm going to start with the general. General mail is simply sending out a general email address, like a general mail to your email addresses you have. So let me send an example of a general mail now. So I'm going to type in my mail here, um, Henry at educare.school.ng. You can simply type in a mail here and hit the space button to save it. Or I can use the list. Say for instance, I can pick an email from this list based on different roles. I can pick a parent email, I can pick a student, or a teacher. So if I select teacher and click on add all emails, it fetches all the teachers' email in this educare AYFS list and populates it here. Or I'm going to clear this now. I can search for parents, select parents, parents of what class. I can simply select all, or I can select a specific class and click on add all emails, and it fetches their email. I'm going to also clear this. If I don't want to add every single one of them, I can click on select individual email. So at this point now you can filter the ones you want to select. Basically search for the name and tick on them. And if I click on select, it adds the one I selected, the parent on that list. So this is different ways you can add email and filter from the list. So it's either you're typing in the mail here manually or you're filtering it from this list here. So let me just type in my mail, educare.ng, and I'm going to send this to myself. I've already entered the subject of the mail, and you can enter the body of the mail here as well. Type in the body. If you have attachments, you can add attachments here. So let me just add an attachment. Um, I'm going to add this picture as an attachment. So if I click on send mail, so we are going to wait for this mail to be sent. So this mail has been sent, email sent. So once it's sent, all I need to do is to check my mail if the mail has been delivered. I just got a notification on my phone now, but as a school admin, you can actually know when the person you send a mail to has received it. You can also tell when they've read it. So to do that, I come to my delivery reports, and the most recent mail I sent was to this henry@educare.ng. If I sync it, it's going to show me the delivery status and the read status. Yes, it's been opened because I just opened it on my phone right now. So let me show you that on my Gmail. So we all see the mail I got. Where is it? Okay, so this is the mail I just got. You can see if I open it up, looks safe. This is how it comes. It comes with your school logo. It also comes with your footer. So this is the body of the mail, and this is the picture I attached. So emails you send out from the system comes like this to the recipient. And you can see the sender here is admin, and the email from the sender is this. If you want to change these details, where you change it is through here. So if you come to compose mail, you can see sender alias is admin. So the sender alias is supposed to be the name of the school. So the parent knows that it's coming from the school. Then the email here is meant to be the email you're going to reply to, because if I'm to reply to this email here, it's going to go to this. So you always make sure that the recipient email is you sending out the mail. So I want to let you know the use of this custom sender. So the mailbox is general for everyone in the school. So anyone given permission to use the mailbox can use it. The reason for this use custom sender is if you've given access to this mailbox to different departments and everyone is using the same recipient email, it means your mails will be missing. More like if a parent or anybody you send the mail to replies the email, it goes to the same person. So if you're unique, once you're given access to the mailbox, you need to click on Use Custom Sender. So you can see my own custom sender, I named it educare school, and I can also customize the email to my email, henry at educare.ng. So now if I send a mail, this is what shows. So let's try it now. I'm going to send also to myself, henry at educare.ng. So this is the subject and the body. I'm not going to attach anything to this mail now. So let's do this send mail. So this email has been sent now. I'm going to check my mailbox and wait for the mail to come in. So this mail just came in now, and clearly you just saw that the sender is me because it's my mail I put there. So, but if I click on this, you can see the name Educare School, which is what you can see here. Educare School, the sender alias, and the email it's coming from is this. So let's go to verify that. If I check it from henry at educare.ng to henry at educare.ng. So I believe you understand the use of the custom sender right now. So any department given access to mailbox can customize it. And another thing you need to know is this does not accept the email you put here as the sender alias does not accept the general email, which is Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. It needs to be a custom email from your domain. So that email has to be of your own domain before you can use it here. If not, it's just going to reset it to the default email. That's admin at educare.school, basically. So you need to make sure you put in your custom email address here for your school or for your business. So that is everything that has to do with the general mail. So the next I'm going to go to is the result mail. So how the result mail works is you can use the system to send out the reports, a PDF copy of the results directly to your parent's email. So for instance, I want to send out PDF copy of reports. So I'm going to select the term, probably third term, full term. I'm sending this to parents for year 7, Lavender. So already I added my email as a parent email. So if I search for that parent Duru, so if you can see Mr. and Mrs. Christian Duru, you notice I added my email to be that parent email. So this means that if I want to send an email to everyone in this selected class, all I need to do is let's create an email that reports kindly find attached your child's reports for term 3. So when you type out the body of the mail, you don't need to attach any documents. The system already does that for you. So all you need to do is just type in the subject and the body of the mail. Automatically, the document, which is the report, is attached. So I'm just going to send this. So I'm going to untick everyone because I don't want to send to everyone and just search for that parent that I attached my email to. And I'm going to click on send mail. So let's see what comes to my mail. So I've done this. So I'm going to go to my mailbox and wait for the mail to drop. So this is it. The mail just dropped and you can see the title, third term reports. So this is what I typed in the body of the mail. Kindly find attached your child's report for third term. And this is the report. So the parent can view the report on the system or download it. So as you can see, this is how the custom mail works. Sorry, the results mail works. So I believe so far we have covered general and results. So results mail is basically to help you send home your PDF copy of the reports to your parents. So you can do that for everyone or just search for the parent you want to send to, select and you send. So it's that straightforward. Then the next is the custom mail. So you can send a mail to probably all students in the school, but that mail will be personalized to the parent. So let me just show you an example. Say for instance, I want to send, I have a template of a mail I want to send. I want to send this message to all parents, but at the same time personalize it. So let me say I want to send this to only parents in the class. I in year 7, for instance, in year 7, lavender. If I click on add users, it fetches the parents' details, and all I need to do is enter the body of the mail. I can just select this. I have this here already, and you enter the subject of the mail and the body of the mail. So if I want to personalize this now, I can just say dear instead of putting parents and guardian, or personalize it to carry the parent's name. So it says use this where you want the full name to appear. So I can copy this and just paste it and replace it with this, just like that. So if I send this mail to myself, it's going to replace the parent's name for each of these parents I have on this list. It's going to replace it with their full name. Or I can just do either their first name, last name, wherever I want their email to appear, same thing. So let me send this mail, but I won't send it to all. I'm just going to send it to myself. So I'm going to unmark all and look for where I have my name. Select this. This is my email. And I'm just going to click on the send mail button. So now this has sent. I'm going to check my mailbox. This is the mail that just came in. I'm going to open it and you can see Dear Henry Chibuzo Okafor. So you can see it has personalized the name to suit that parent. So this is how all parents are going to see it. So you have a lot you can personalize here. You have where you want the parent just the first name to show, where you want just the last name to show, email, full name, the name of the parent child, the last name, the first name of the child, the last name of the child, then where you want the full name of this parent child to show, and the class of the child. So you're going to notice that different fields has different filters. If I select teachers, the only filter you see is just this first four. But if I select parents, you have more options. If I select students, you have more options. So if I want to say, for instance, I want to send the parents' login details to them, I can do it this way. I can come here and say subject of the mail, login details to educare, and for you to be able to send login details, you have to click on enable password reset. And if you notice, it added these two fields, login password and login email. If I turn it off, those two fields goes out. But if I enable it, it brings it back on. So I can now come here and say, here is your login details to educare URL, email, password. So for the URL, I can just copy the URL here and paste it. For the email would be for the parent email. I'll copy this tag here, login email, and paste it here. And for the password, I'll copy the tag, login password, and paste it here. So again, I'm going to send this to just myself. Select this and click on the send mail. So all I need to do now is check my mailbox to see if this mail has come in. So this is it. Once I select it, you can see here's your login details to educare, the URL, it copied my email and my password. So I can basically log in into my the portal as a parent using this login credentials. So I can see my login details here, email, and also the password. So it's that straightforward. So the next I'm going to go to is you can also save drafts. So okay, let me go to the sent mail first. So from the sent mail, I can reuse email I have sent already. Say for instance, let me see, let me see. If I come to the last, so this email I sent now, if I want to reuse it, probably this login detail or the parent evening one, I'll click on it. This is what I sent before. If I want to forward this email, so I don't have to retype all of this, I'm just going to click on forward and it fills everything I entered before. So all I need to do is type in the mail or set it to custom and select the field. So just like that. So sent mail is where you can see all the mails you've sent previously and you can reuse them. Then you have your drafts. So drafts helps you save those templates. If you want to save some templates, like I have a template of this, Duke of Edinburgh Adventure, so I can click on send and it just at the same way populates what you've entered here before. So I can just type in my who I want to send this to and just use it. So basically, once to create a draft, all you need to do is from your compose mail, type in what you want to create, the subject and the body, and instead of sending, just click on save as draft, and you're going to have it saved here, and it's available for you to always reuse it. So basically, this is everything under the mailbox. Feel free to reach out to the educare support team if you need any assistance, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for your time.